Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to another taste test episode of Griddle Porn. Today, we're... Oh, excuse my hand there. Today, we're at Charcoal Delights, or that's where we were. And, we got a legit Greek gyro. Check that out. And also... some fries that are, average. Excuse me for stuffing my face. So anyway, I'm in the car and I have no way to hold the phone while you watch me stuff my face. Let's see if I can take a bite. I had some of their fried chicken. They're supposed to have really good roasted chicken. Wasn't fried chicken, roasted chicken. And the seasoning was delicious. It was just really skinny chicken, and that may be a thing with the Midwest, having a problem getting hold of fat chickens lately. I've noticed that at a couple places. Except for a Korean place that specializes in wings. Oh, they were awesome. They were really good wings. So, anyway, now I don't remember the name of the place. I don't know. Let's try. So I've run my shirt. I've got food all over my beard. And tzatziki sauce. I'm trying to hold the phone without getting tzatziki all over it. Yeah. I'm such a slob. Anyway, what I managed to get into the bite. Let's try some of this. Oh, that's good. That's really good. So, there's Charcoal Delights. I think I'm in Des Plaines, Illinois. Their roasted chicken is really good. Just skimpy, but I don't know if I can blame them for that. This, oh man, that is perfect. The meat, their tzatziki sauce is delicious. The shaved meat, oh, amazing. Just the meat is 5 stars. And I've barely got, there's so much. Well, let's see if we can get a better look now that I've taken a bite and wearing half of it. Just look at that. I know you mostly see tomato. Look underneath the tomato. Yum. Okay. That is definitely a thumbs up. Like I said, the fries are just average fries. But, excuse me, I'll definitely have to go back and try especially more of their Greek stuff. I'm dying to try the Greek chicken. Love Greek chicken. So that's all we've got today in our food review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!